In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Looker Studio all in just 5 minutes. If you're working in a multilingual environment or simply want Looker Studio to be in your preferred language, this guide has got you covered. We'll start by navigating to Looker Studio. Open up your web browser and go to the Looker Studio homepage. This is your main access point for any reports and data analysis you're involved with. Once you're there, you'll notice a clean interface designed to keep everything you need right at your fingertips. Next, look for the small icon. It's usually located in the lower section of the page, acting as your portal to helpful tips and features. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu where you can find the latest updates and enhancements available in Looker Studio. These updates can be crucial for maintaining the effectiveness and efficiency of your work, so it's always good to stay informed about what's new. From the options that appear after clicking the icon, select New Features. This will take you to a list or a page showing what new functionalities Looker Studio has to offer. These changes often include new analysis tools, interface improvements, and of course language options. On the New Features page, you should see an option labeled Language. Click it. This is where you can start personalizing your Looker Studio experience by selecting the language that suits your needs. The interface will provide a list of available languages that Looker Studio supports. The ability to change language settings is a great feature for accommodating diverse teams who might be using Looker Studio across different regions. Finally, you will need to click on English or whichever default language is current for you and choose your desired language from the list. This action will apply your choice throughout the Looker Studio platform, ensuring that all the menus, notifications, and interface options are displayed in the chosen language. And there you have it, a simple way to customize your Looker Studio settings to better fit your language preferences. Whether you're making this change to enhance your own understanding or to improve collaboration with an international team, having Looker Studio set to the right language can make a world of difference. Remember, these steps can always be revisited if you wish to change the language back or switch it to another, making Looker Studio an adaptable tool that caters to your evolving needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to explore further options within Looker Studio to maximize your productivity. Until next time, happy analyzing.